In this video, we are going to be looking at the 5 interesting process of what urine formation. No, the body system the body system is designed in such a way that waste product can go out, and kidney is the part that really play a very important role in removal of waste products in the body system, which is known. Kidney is known to be the major excretory organ of human body. So here we are going to be looking at the process of urine formation. We have 5 basic processes, which I have here with me. We have the ultrafiltration, we have selective reabsorption, we have hormonal secretion, we have concentration and excretion, which happen to be the final. Now, why is this thing very, very important? The knowledge of these 5 basic principle processes is very important to help you to understand the function of the kidney, how kidney does its work of what excretion. Now you know that kidney help to regulate the water concentration in the vast osmotic regulation. It also help to reduce the concentration of ions, salts in the body system, and also help to remove waste product, toxic product that can destroy your body system. So today we're going to be looking at the 5 basic processes that leads to what production of urine. So we are going to be breaking it and bit by bit and discuss each of them so that we'll be able to grasp it very well. So in this case, I have a drawing here with me that will also help to drive the thing into our brain. So here we have about the first step. The first process of urine formation is the one we call the ultrafiltration, which takes place in this place. Now, because of the design of this area, it has a kind of high pressure because of the coils of our capillaries. The capillaries here, as the blood passes through here, the pressure is increased, forcing the fluid to pass into where we call the Bowman capsule. So whatever we have here that pass into here is what we call the we call it the glomerulus filtrate, because here is the glomerulus, and this one, the filtrate that enters here is what we call the glomerulus filtrate, which enters into the Bowman capsule. Now, as the urine enters, as the filtrate enters into this tubules, it moves down. There is what we call selective reabsorption. That is when the selective reabsorption takes place. During this process, water is reabsorbed. Some ions is reabsorbed when we get down to the Henle's loop or loops of Henle. So under here, you see the reabsorption of salts, ions, and then down to this place we talk about hormonal secretion. This hormone, antidiuretic hormone, is what help in also in concentration, helping to make the urine concentrated, and also help in active process of reabsorbing some of these ions. So in this case, when we get to this point, when we get to this concentration, the concentration is where the kidney play a very important role. That is the osmotic regulation of the body. That means in the body system, whenever, let's say you are dehydrated, when you're dehydrated, less urine, concentrated urine will go out of your, because concentrated urine will go out of your body. If you are, let's say you want to urinate when you are dehydrated, you find out that less urine will come out and they will be what? Concentrated. Now this is just because of the dehydrative nature of your body. What happens is that more of this water is reabsorbed to balance the system. That is where it plays a very important role of what we call osmotic regulation, regulating the fluid in the body system. Now, because of that, the urine is concentrated because more water is reabsorbed into the body system. Now, in this other ending, for example, now when you take a lot of water, if you take a lot of water, water will be in your system. Then, if you urinate in that period, because you have too much water in your system, dilute urine is likely to go out. So in this case, that is what happened here. But then, when all these things, during this concentration process, what happens is that the urine itself is then moved down to the final process, which means it passed through from here now, it move down here and be collected here to be collected at the ureter. The ureter will take it down from here down to the urethra, down to the bladder, from the bladder to the urethra, where it pass out. So in this case again, whatever I want you to get the basic thing here to know that these three processes is what really takes place in the body system, and you know the function of the kidney. The kidney plays a very important role to maintain the acid balance, acid base balance in the body system, and ions, concentration of ion, balancing of the ion. When they salt, the ions is so much in your body, perhaps when you have when your body system tends to be acidic, more chloride, chloride ion will be released. And when the concentration is a kind of, let's say, um, when the concentration is a kind of basic, less chloride ion will be released in order to balance the system. In other words, making your body, the cells and every other body tissue to function effectively. Because if some of these things are allowed to stay in the body system, what happens is that your body might not be working very well. Thank you so much for being part of this class. And need, if you want to ask us any question, you can leave in the comment section. And if today is your first time joining us, you can also subscribe so that you enjoy more of our tutorial classes. Thank you so much.